Weather is something that we love talking about. Most people will really love to whinge about the weather, whether it's too hot or too cold or too wet or too dry. We just love complaining about the weather. So as a society, we feel it's important that people understand a little bit about where our weather's coming from and what gives us the weather that we get.
Hello, my name is Haley. Hello, my name is Tammy.
And what are you going to tell us today?
Weather.
We think OPAL's great because it's going to reach so many people across our country, and so we're very keen to be involved and to support it in any way we can.
Hello, I'm Angela. Hello, I am Maddie.
What did your pupils get out of visiting our OPAL Roadshow today?
I think they've got an awful lot of fun out of it, which I think is very important when you go on a visit, you know, but there is a serious side, and so they've learned so many different things. I've learned so many different things as well.
Hi.
Hi.
Lots of rain there. I think it's more warmer in the south.
That's right. And in the north?
Quite cold and icy.
Icy.
We were presenting the news report. There was this camera and you stood in front of it and you were on the telly and you could pick where the countries were and how hot they were. And there was daytime and nighttime and summer and winter.
You need to know what's going on and what causes what, and as they get older they learn more and more things, and if you start at a young age it can bring their interest on and they start to ask questions about the weather.
Trying to measure the wind. Yeah, the higher it gets, the more wind there is.
What are they called? Anemometers?
Yeah.
Children have really looked forward to coming on the trip today. It's an opportunity to get out of school, spend time out in the classroom, which they really enjoy doing, and also use some apparatus and take part in experiments that they don't have a chance to when they're at school. So things like the weather station and the hurricane tornado builder, those sorts of things.
When we were outside, we've been doing making the weather, and we made tornadoes with these bottles, and then we made clouds with air and pulling stuff out of bottles. Yeah.
And with the tornadoes, we had two plastic bottles together. When you spun it round, it carried on going because the air had to go up and let the water down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, it's okay. 13, hard, 14, 15. Okay, take a step back, everyone. Ready? Woo! It's your slide.
Definitely a tornado.
Yeah, it's definitely a tornado, yeah.
You can't do everything inside school, and to come out and to physically do things with their hands and to be taught different things which we couldn't do in school. We wouldn't have any of the equipment to do any of this. It's been a really good learning curve.